Good morning students, how are you all? So today we are going to start fraction chapter. Okay? Now before starting the chapter, please tell me that have you eaten pizza? Yes, all of you love pizza and you have been eating pizza from a long time. So, have you seen pizza as a whole or it is in fraction or parts? Yes, we are having slices in pizza. So, these slices are what? Fractions. Fractions are what? Part of a whole. Of the whole pizza, one slice is a part. Okay, for example, let's consider this a pizza. So, here we can see 6 slices. So, each slice is part of the whole pizza, or each fraction here is a part of whole circle here. Okay, now can you tell me how many fractions are there? We are having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are having 6 fractions. So this part is what? 1/6 of the whole circle. Because as there are 6 fractions, so total part we will write here 6, and there are we will circle means we will cover one portion or color one portion or shade one portion, so it will be 1/6. Now for example, as you can see, this is a box and 4 parts are there in this box. Here I have shaded first one part, so I will write it as 1/4. The fraction of shaded part will be 1/4. Here 1 is what? The numerator, which tells us how many parts are considered. So how many parts are considered here? 1 part, which is shaded. Here 4, which is the denominator. It tells us in how many parts a whole is divided equally. So if the whole is divided equally in how many parts? 4 parts. So we will write 1/4. Okay. Now we will talk about kinds of fraction. How many types of fractions are there? First, it is proper fraction. Numerator less than denominator or the fraction which is less than 1 are proper fraction. Numerator less than denominator. For example, we have taken 1/4, 1/4, 4/7. Here numerators are what? Smaller than the denominators. So they are less than 1 and so they are proper fraction. Now improper fraction. Now numerator greater than the denominator or the fraction which is greater than 1 are improper fraction. For example, 5/3, 7/3, 6/5. Okay, for example, in which numerator is greater than denominator or the fraction which are greater than 1 are called improper fraction. Then we are having mixed numbers also. A fraction which is a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. 3/4. Here this 3 is what? Here this 3 is a mixed whole number and 3/4 is a proper fraction part. Here 7/4. 7 is a whole number and 2/4 is a proper fraction part. Here there is another type of fraction also. Unit fraction. 1/3, 1/5, 1/7. Oh, you can see one thing common in them. Okay, 1 here, 1 in the numerator. So, unit fractions are what? Having 1 in the numerator is a unit fraction. Okay, unit fraction. So, we have learned kinds of fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction and mixed numbers. Now, let's move on with some fraction parts. Okay, here we have taken a circle and this circle is divided equally in 2 parts. So, we will have in the denominator 2 because 2 equal parts are there. And this half is what? 1 part of this both among the 2. So, we will write it as 1/2. In the same way, if we consider this circle, it is also divided in 4 equal parts. So, what we will write in the denominator? 4 and 1 will be in the numerator because we are considering one portion of it, one part of it, one fraction of it. So we will write 1 by 4. Okay. Now if we take this circle and this circle is divided in how many equal parts? 3 equal parts. So we will write 3 in the denominator and 1 in the numerator because we are considering this one portion or one fraction of this circle. In the same way, we can have many fractions. We can divide the circle, square or any figure in equal parts. Like this is a circle in which 1 by how many equal parts are there? Okay, 8 equal parts, and we are considering shading one part, that is 1 by 8. Now hopefully you have understood it. We have this worksheet also where, for example, one box is given having 4 equal parts, so the denominator is having 4, and one part is shaded, one portion is shaded, so we have written 1 by 4. In the same way, we are given a box which is having 9 fractions or 9 parts. Here we have to shade 2 by 9. So what we will do? We will shade 2 portion. You can shade any 2 portion. So 2 by 9 will be your answer. In this way, you can solve this whole exercise or the practice sheet. Now here we are given, draw a line to match the equivalent fraction. Here you can see that there are 2 equal parts and 1 is shaded. Okay? 2 equal parts and 1 is shaded. The same way here also 4 equal parts and 2 are shaded. So 2 by 4 will be what? Again 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now here among the 4 portions, 3 portions are shaded. So what we will write it? 3 by 4. Let's see if here also. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same way, here also you can match it and see whether the fractions are equal or not. Okay, understood? Now, we will do what? How can we do the conversion of mixed number to improper fraction? That is the formula that improper fraction is equal to whole number into denominator plus numerator upon denominator. For example, we have taken 3 by 4. 3 into 4 plus 3 upon 4. 3 into 4 is 12, 12 plus 3, 15, 15 by 4. So improper, how we can convert mixed number into improper fraction? Whole number into denominator plus numerator divided by denominator. Hopefully you have understood the basic functionality of this chapter, that is fraction, kinds of fractions and the conversion of mixed number into improper fraction. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Till then, take care, goodbye and thank you.